Are you pressed for time but want to do a quick and fun workout? Well then let's get ready for some fun. First, we'll begin walking in place. Do this for only 10 to 15 seconds. And we're about to stop. In 3, 2, 1. Great! Now let's pick up the pace and do side shuffles. Do this as well for 10 to 15 seconds. Let's prepare to stop. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's begin walking in place again. Do this for about 10 seconds. And stop in 3, 2, 1. Now, let's jog in place for 45 seconds. And stop in 3, 2, 1. Now, walk in place again. Do it for 10 seconds. And stop in 3, 2, 1. Now, let's do front kick squats. Do 2 reps each leg and alternate between both. And stop in 3, 2, 1. Now rest for 30 seconds. You can get some water or do a light stretch as well. Now, let's do jump squats. Do 10 reps. And stop in 3, 2, 1. Now rest for another 30 seconds. Now, let's go backwards, and let's do another 10 reps of jump squats. And stop in 3, 2, 1. Let's rest for another 30 seconds. Awesome! Now do another set of front kick squats. Do 2 reps each leg. Stop in 3, 2, 1. Rest for another 30 seconds. Okay, now let's jog in place for 45 seconds. And stop in 3, 2, 1. Rest for a final 30 seconds. Now finish out the workout doing side shuffles. Go side to side for about 10 to 15 seconds. And stop in 3, 2, 1. Start cooling down by walking in place for 10 to 15 seconds. Now end the workout with a variety of leg stretches, such as the quad stretch or the lying hamstring stretch. Do this for about 3 minutes, and be sure to get a good stretch in both legs. Follow for more tips.